Top 10 trade jobs that are paying big money. Stop looking at Silicon Valley for a six-figure check. In 2026, the real wealth is hiding in plain sight. But it's not where you think it is. It's not in a cubicle, and it's not behind a computer screen.
Say what?
The biggest checks are being signed in high voltage grids, the deep sea pipelines, and the massive industrial plants that run our world and that are booming today in America. We're talking about specialized careers where you can pull in $5,000 a week.
Holy shnikes.
Just by knowing the skill the world is desperate for. Most people haven't even heard of these jobs, but today I'm pulling back the curtain on the trades that will make you wealthy while you learn. Hey guys, I'm JV Charles, and I'm bringing you over 30 years of real-life experience in the trades industry. Did you know that college debt and low-paying careers don't have to be a part of everyday life? Not today, because this channel is focused on helping you ditch that debt and instead get paid while you learn. After a few years of earning instead of paying tuition, you can have a six-figure career with benefits, retirement, and many other perks. So if you're ready to learn about the booming skilled trade industry and start earning serious money, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and let's get to work. Number 1, millwrights, industrial construction mechanics. The pay, it's $8,000 to $130,000 plus a year. That's including overtime and per diem. The job, think of millwright as the ultimate industrial assembler. They're the ones who move, install, and align the massive machinery that runs our world. Presses, conveyors, turbines. When we tear down and rebuild a section of any auto plant, we call a millwright. The skill set, it's simple. It's pure hands-on. You need heavy rigging skills and precision alignment using lasers. The path, union apprenticeships are the way in. And it's usually 4 years, and you earn great wages the entire time. Number 2, Boilermakers. The pay, $85,000 to $150,000 a year. This is dominated by shutdown and turnaround pay. The job, Boilermakers repair massive pressure vessels and reactors in power plants and refineries. The environment, well, the work is hot, it's tight, and physically demanding. You're often crawling into confined spaces to make the repair. This is pure raw industrial grit. The value though, when the refinery goes down, Boilermakers are the critical path. They get paid premium rates, often $3,000 to $5,000 a week, to fix it fast.
Damn!
Number 3, high voltage power line technicians. The pay, $8,000 to $140,000 base pay. There is unlimited potential in storm season. The job, these are the people who build and repair our electrical grid, dealing with thousands of volts on towers and poles. The risk, it is risky. It's dangerous work, high voltage, incredible heights, and brutal weather. But the risk is exactly why it pays so well. My cousin Jeff works storm restoration. He can literally double his annual income in just 3 months after a major hurricane. Number 4, elevator mechanics. The pay, it's $80,000 to $100,000, over $150,000 sometimes. This one is most lucrative trade you can enter without a degree. The job, when an elevator breaks 30 floors up, you can't wait. These techs install and maintain the vertical transport systems that make modern cities possible. The skill set, it's a mix of electrical, mechanical, and hydraulics. The International Union of Elevator Constructors is the gold standard here.
Hell yes.
Number 5, pipeline and specialized welders. The pay, $100,000 to $100,000 plus. Traveling pipeline welders can clear $2,000 a week easy. The job, this isn't shop welding, this is rig welding, working on critical infrastructure in deep sea pipelines. The path, you start with a basic welding certificate, then apprenticeship under a rig welder. The travel is heavy, but the checks are massive. Number 6, industrial electricians. The pay, $70,000 to $110,000 plus. The job, general electricians usually do houses, but industrial electricians run the power for factories, robotics, and massive data hubs. The path, look for a union apprenticeship through the IBEW, 4 to 5 years of paid training, and you'll never be out of a job.
Wow, that's pretty ace.
Number 7, commercial HVAC specialists. The pay, $60,000 to $120,000. The money is in big chillers for hospitals and industrial plants. The job, you're managing complex climate systems that keep critical facilities running. And the value, companies will pay premium wages for techs who can handle building automation. Number 8, aircraft maintenance technicians. The pay, $70,000 to $120,000 a year. Major airlines offer incredible benefits and travel perks. The job, you're responsible for safety of commercial cargo aircraft. And the path to get there, you need an A&P license. Once you have that license, the big airlines are desperate for you.
Like she's desperate.
And coming in at number 9, heavy equipment operators. The pay, $65,000 to $110,000 a year. Tower crane operators in major cities earn even more. It's moving earth and lifting the steel, precision control of multi-million-dollar machines. The best path to get there is the International Union of Operating Engineers, and that is your best bet. They have some of the best training facilities in the world. Number 10, pipe fitters and steam fitters. The pay, about $70,000 to $150,000 plus. They design and install high-pressure piping systems for power plants and refineries. It's a 5-year path apprenticeship to the United Association or the UA. You walk out with a career that is recession-proof and you're debt-free from college.
Hell yeah!
So there you have it, 10 trades built on grit, skill, and specialized industrial knowledge. These workers are the invisible force that maintains the guts of our entire economy. And in 2026, the pay reflects just how critical they really are, because business is booming in the U.S. and will continue to boom. None of these jobs you learn just by reading a textbook. They require an apprenticeship, guts, and a real commitment. But they all share 3 massive advantages. 1, they pay exceptionally good wages. 2, they are desperately short on people. And 3, they provide a clear path to wealth without college debt. If any of these caught your eye, drop a comment below and let me know which one you're interested in, and I'll dedicate a whole video to it. That's it for today, guys. Smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep those skills sharp, because in the trades, hard work and high skill pays the bills.